Ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning. This is a historic day which marks the beginning of digitization of village and ward secretariats in the beautiful state of Andhra Pradesh. We are extremely privileged to have with us Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, and all the respected dignitaries from Canara Bank, NPCI, and State of Andhra Pradesh. It is an honor to have their esteemed company for this extraordinary launch. I would request all the dignitaries to stay with us till the end of the event as we have a photo opportunity planned post the launch. Before we begin the program, let us start on an auspicious note by lighting the lamp. Thank you. NPCI, which has made a huge impact on the retail payment system in the country, thanks to its innovative products, is walking in line with Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Shri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy's initiatives in delivering services to the doorstep of the state citizens. The Andhra Pradesh government has created the largest ever department, GSWS, with unparalleled dimensions in the country and is primarily striving to be a fully successful service delivery system. May I now request Mr. Dilip Asbe, MD and CEO of NPCI, to deliver the welcome address. Mr. Asbe has built high-capacity platforms and strong team for NPCI. He has played a pivotal role in designing, building, operationalization, and management of large-scale payment processing platforms like Unified Payments Interface (UPI), Bharat InfoMoney (BHIM), Immediate Payment Service (IMPS), and India's homegrown card network RuPay. Mr. Asbe, over to you, sir.
Thank you, Subrata. Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, Sri Ajay Jain, Principal Secretary to the Government, Sri L.V. Prabhakar, MD and CEO, Canara Bank. A very good morning to all of you. And this is indeed a great day for all of us at NPCI, because when Prime Minister Narendra Modi has a dream of digital India, and it is not possible to fulfill the dream unless the states drives the digital payments at the grassroots levels. And I'm very happy for the contribution of AP State as well as Canara Bank to create such a fantastic platform for the citizens of AP to make digital payments and utilize the state services. I will not be surprised if the AP is the first state to do this in India, and all the other states will follow the same practice to provide the services to the citizens and make the digital payments for that. Unless we make digital Bharat, the digital India is not possible. All of us are fully aware about it. I once again thank the AP Chief Minister. He is the project sponsor, right? And to this kind of a large initiative, none other than Chief Minister has to be a sponsor. So we are very, very thankful to him. We are thankful to Mr. Prabhakar that Canara Bank, being one of the largest banks in South of India, having this initiative, there would be a lot of effort. And I assure you that it will stand well initiative. And not only AP, I would request NPCI teams to replicate the success of this initiative, the AP state initiative, to all the other states in the country. Thank you very much, and we look forward for a fruitful partnership between the AP state, Canara Bank, and NPCI. Thank you. Over to you, Subrata.
Thank you for sharing your valuable thoughts, sir. The next speaker has had an illustrious banking career, serving various senior positions in Allahabad Bank and Punjab National Bank prior to this. He is presently the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Canara Bank. He has over 34 years of rich experience in the banking space, spread across a spectrum of domains. Under him, Canara Bank has become future ready in terms of adoption and implementation of latest digital initiatives. He is also director on the board of CanFin Homes Limited. May I request you, sir, Mr. L.V. Prabhakar, to please share your thoughts with us.
Namaste, Honorable Chief Minister, Andhra Pradesh, Sri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, respected Principal Secretary, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Ajay Jain, MD and CEO, NPCI, Sri Dilip Asbe, and all dignitaries present. A very good afternoon to all of you. I am extremely delighted to be a part of Government of Andhra Pradesh Digital Initiative, which is enabling 15,000 gram and ward secretariats to extend services and accept payments digitally from the citizens. Canara Bank is the fifth largest bank in the country. The bank has been at the forefront of the digital revolution and has taken up various technological initiatives to make banking easy, cost-effective, safe, reachable to all. Bank has a wide array of digital products fulfilling the financial needs of the customers. The government of Andhra Pradesh, in its visionary mission of digitizing the government payments, has announced this dream project, which is aimed to extend the digital payments facility to the common man of the state. Canara Bank, a premier bank in the country, has come forward to collaborate in this far-sighted initiative of the government of Andhra Pradesh and to provide UPI QR code-based payment system at the gram and ward secretariats. Today, it's a moment of pride and privilege for us to be associated with the project. The UPI product that Canara Bank is offering is very easy and simple to use. It will require the user to just scan a QR code for making the payment. It will also provide a confirmation message to the customer after the payment is made. We are confident that our robust UPI platform, which presently handles more than 3 million transactions in a day, will provide hassle-free payment services to the general public of Andhra Pradesh for making payments at GSWS. We wholeheartedly thank the Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, and the officials of Government of Andhra Pradesh for giving us the opportunity to execute this project. I am sure that the common man would be extremely benefited with this initiative of the Government of Andhra Pradesh. India today has made giant stride in respect of payment and settlement systems, and the developments made in retail payment space stand out prominently. The role played by NPCI in this regard is immense. We thank NPCI for being by our side and for being a significant partner in our digital journey. Canara Bank, founded by the great visionary and philanthropist Sri M.M.L. Subbarao Pai, has been functioning on strong principles of providing banking services across the globe. We are happy to mention that Canara Bank has a CD ratio of 179% and 10% market share under credit in the state of Andhra Pradesh. I wish all success for the project and assure our best support and involvement for the smooth implementation of this prestigious initiative. Thanks to all the dignitaries and all the participants. Namaste.
Thank you for your inspiring comments, sir. May I now request Shri Ajay Jain, Principal Secretary to the Government, to share his thoughts with us. Shri Ajay Jain is an IAS officer of 1991 batch. He has worked as a district collector, Kurnool and Rangareddy, and has done commendable work in land administration matters. As chairman and managing director of AP Genco, he has improved the power generation and increased the power supply to surplus status. Mr. Ajay Jain is working as chairman of APSHCL, wherein the government is proposing to construct 25 lakhs of houses in a period of 5 years. He is also heading the department of GVWV and VSWS department, a revolutionary concept in the administration where the schemes and benefits of the government to people particularly to the poorer sections, is taken to the doorsteps of the people. May I request Shri Ajay Jain to please share his thoughts with us.
Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, Honorable Ministers Panchayat Raj, Shri Ramchandra Reddy, Honorable Minister Education, Shri Suresh, Naveen, our Director, Satyanarayana, our Special Secretary Finance, Mr. Dhananjay Reddy, Advisor, then our MD of NPCI, Mr. Dilip SP, Chairman and MD of Canara Bank, Mr. Prabhakar, and all other dignitaries. First of all, I would like to thank Honorable Chief Minister. Sir, today is a red letter day as far as this department of VSWS is concerned, because for the benefit of others, our Honorable Chief Minister has launched this village and ward secretariat concept in line with Mahatma Gandhi's vision of Gram Swarajyam. For every 2,000 rural population, there is a village secretariat consisting of permanent employees, about 10 to 11 in number. Similarly, for every 4,000 population in urban areas, there is a ward secretariat. And not only this, for every 50 to 100 households, there is a volunteer. So whole idea is to bring governance at the doorsteps of the people. And about 545 services are being offered to the citizen. And from January 26th, this has been operational. Already about 8 million transactions have been done. And today we have touched almost daily 100,000 transactions are happening every day. So far it was only through cash. But now, in line with Prime Minister Modi's vision of digital India and financial inclusion, Honorable Chief Minister has directed the department to tie up with the National Payment Corporation of India and Canara Bank. With this, cashless transactions, particularly in COVID times, would be made enabled in all 15,004 village and ward secretariat. Any citizen from almost 35 departments, 545 services he wants to avail, can simply come. He should have a smartphone with a UPI app, and then the payment would be generated and a unique QR code will pop up in the portal. The customer or the citizen has to just scan the code and the money would be transferred to our account. And the customer as well as our secretariat gets the confirmation. So I think this is the first of its kind, the largest of its kind initiative in the entire country, and would not have been possible but for the guidance provided by Honorable Chief Minister and Honorable Minister. And we are really thankful to NPCI and Canara Bank. I am sure that this would transform the digital governance in the state of Andhra Pradesh and would be a trendsetter as far as the country is concerned. So once again, I take this opportunity to thank everybody associated with this project. And I am sure that in the days to come, Andhra Pradesh would become the leader as far as the digital governance and digital payments are concerned. Thank you.
Thank you for your words of motivation, sir. It means a lot. The next person to be invited is one of India's young and dynamic leaders. Ladies and gentlemen, we are extremely privileged to have with us Shri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. Under him, the state of Andhra Pradesh has been seeing decentralization of power to the core. With 15,004 village and ward secretariats, 1.34 lakh employees, 2.61 lakh village and ward volunteer clusters, and young people manning them, have delivered over 60 lakh service requests of the nearly 73 lakh service requests logged in, thanks to the creation of GSWS. We now welcome the Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu.
my sincere thanks to NPCI CEO Mr. Dilip Asbijay and MDC and CEO Mr. LV Prabhakar Garu for having initiated this partnership with Andhra Pradesh state government. And together we are moving towards this digital transformation. And we sincerely hope that this would do a lot of good to the rural folk. The goal of Andhra Pradesh to transform, to take governance to the doorstep was achieved through these grammar secretariats and through these ward secretariats that we speak of. Around about 545 services are currently being rolled out through these grammar secretariats and through these ward secretariats. Now, other than this, every village having these grammar secretariat now also has a volunteer who would handhold every need of the person who's assigned to every 50 houses. So in entirety, a village which has a 2,000 and odd population will have this grammar secretariat. And in municipalities, it is a ward secretariat. And every 50 houses or 100, in municipalities, it is 100 houses, will have one volunteer to handhold every house. So we've gotten this far. Now we're moving towards one step further in this direction to initiate digital transformation. So in this regard, I sincerely thank NPCI's platform, and also my sincere thanks to Canara Bank for having initiated this program with partnership with Andhra Pradesh government. And together, this platform, what has been created, I'm pretty confident that it would do a lot of good to the people, wherein it would avoid cash payment and take Andhra Pradesh more towards digitalization. My sincere thanks to both of them. We'll just be launching it once again, just in case it was just because it was not captured earlier.
Sure.
I think we're done it. Mana? Yeah.
Thank you so much for your words of encouragement, sir. Shri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. So we would request you to please stay with us till the end of the event and raise the occasion. NPCI will work closely with Andhra Pradesh government to make the Honorable Chief Minister Shri Jagan Mohan Reddy's dream of making this beautiful state of Andhra Pradesh fully digital. Ladies and gentlemen, this brings us to the most awaited part of the event. With an aim to promote financial inclusion and provide access of digital payments to hinterlands, the Government of Andhra Pradesh, in association with National Payments Corporation of India and Canara Bank, have announced accessibility of UPI payments to 15,004 village and ward secretariats of the state. To celebrate this historic day, can we now have the launch, please?
In the era of smart living, where digitalization has aced our lives, we prefer convenience in everything, that too in a fast and secure manner. With a vision to transform the country into a digitally empowered society and emphasizing on improving the digital payment experience for consumers, Andhra Pradesh government has taken a huge stride in the digital payment space by the powerful implementation of dynamic Bhim UPI QR payment system at all 15,000 plus secretariats within 35 government departments, providing 500 plus services to collect charges from citizens of Andhra Pradesh for the various services offered, making all payments for these services easy, safe and instant. For example, a user visits the government office for his required service. All he or she has to do is approach the concerned counter person who will feed in the required details of the cost of creation of the service into the system. A dynamic Bhim UPI QR will be generated spontaneously in the counter person's desktop. The user has to just scan the Bhim UPI QR code and the payment will be made instantly. Andhra Pradesh government has provided this ease for a number of beneficial services such as agriculture, animal husbandry, health, education, land administration, transportation, and so on, bringing all government services and payments under one roof to the public. In association with Andhra Pradesh government, Canara Bank, and Bhim UPI, powered by NPCI.
స్మార్ట్ గా జీవించే కాలంలో డిజిటలైజేషన్ మన జీవితాలపై ఎక్కువ ప్రభావం చూపుతుంది. ప్రతి దానిలో ఎంతో వేగంగా సురక్షితంగా ఉండే సౌకర్యానికి మనం ప్రాధాన్యతనిస్తున్నాం. గౌరవనీయులైన ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ముఖ్యమంత్రి శ్రీ జగన్మోహన్ రెడ్డి గారి నేతృత్వంలో ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వం ఎన్పిసిఐ మరియు కెనరా బ్యాంకు సౌజన్యంతో రాష్ట్ర ప్రజలకు 15,000కు పైగా గ్రామ మరియు వార్డు సచివాలయాలలో 500కు పైగా సేవల చెల్లింపులను సులభంగా, సురక్షితంగా మరియు తక్షణమే అందించడానికి డైనమిక్ యూపీఐ క్యూఆర్ వ్యవస్థను అమలు పరుస్తున్నది. రాష్ట్రాన్ని డిజిటల్ గా సాధికారత కలిగిన సమాజంగా మార్చడానికి మరియు వినియోగదారుల కోసం డిజిటల్ చెల్లింపుల విధానాన్ని మెరుగుపరచడానికి ప్రాధాన్యతనిస్తూ దేశంలోనే తొలిసారిగా ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ప్రభుత్వం డిజిటల్ చెల్లింపు రంగంలో చారిత్రక కార్యక్రమాన్ని ప్రారంభించింది. ఉదాహరణకు, ఒక వినియోగదారుడు తనకు కావలసిన సేవ కోసం గ్రామ లేక వార్డు సచివాలయంలో సంబంధిత కౌంటర్ వద్దకు వెళ్లి తనకు కావలసిన సేవా అభ్యర్థన వివరాలను డిజిటల్ అసిస్టెంట్ కు తెలియపరచడం ద్వారా వారు సంబంధిత శాఖ వెబ్సైట్ లో వివరాలను పొందుపరిచి ఎంత రుసుము చెల్లించాలో యూపీఐ క్యూఆర్ కోడ్ జనరేట్ చేస్తారు. సదరు వినియోగదారుడు తన మొబైల్లోని ఏదైనా యూపీఐ ఆధారిత యాప్ ని ఉపయోగించి క్యూఆర్ కోడ్ స్కాన్ చేసి చెల్లింపులు చేసిన తరువాత లావాదేవీ సంబంధిత సందేశం వినియోగదారుల మొబైల్ కి వస్తుంది. వ్యవసాయం, రెవెన్యూ, రవాణా, ఆరోగ్యం, విద్య వంటి 35 ప్రభుత్వ శాఖలకు సంబంధించిన 500కు పైగా సేవలను ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ప్రభుత్వం యూపీఐతో అనుసంధానం చేసి అన్ని ప్రభుత్వ సేవలు మరియు చెల్లింపుల్ని ఒకే చోటకు తీసుకువచ్చింది. సమర్పిస్తున్నవారు ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ప్రభుత్వం, కెనరా బ్యాంక్, భీమ్ యూపీఐ, powered by NPCI.
Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy, launched the state-of-the-art initiative, which has paved way for customers to experience easy, safe, and instant payment mode (UPI) for their day-to-day transactions. With the introduction of QR code, UPI is set to empower thousands of villagers with digital payments and provide an all-new level of convenience with respect to their regular payments. With that, may I invite all our dignitaries for a photo opportunity. Thank you all. Now, may I request the COO of NPCI, Ms. Praveena Rai, for the closing remarks, please. Ms. Rai is responsible for business, marketing, product management, operation strategy, and delivery in NPCI. With over 2 decades of extensive experience, Ms. Rai has built expertise in various facets of payments, cards, retail, and commercial banking. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Subrata. Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy, Shri Ajay Jain, Principal Secretary to the Government, Shri Naveen IAS, MD of CSWS, a very big thank you to all of you. Without this, we would not have been able to launch this program. It is truly a first of its kind initiative that is going to take a lot of convenience to the people of Andhra Pradesh. The number 15,004 is not a small number at all. It is a number which means that every person is going to have a village or a ward secretariat office that is easy to access and within reach. Now, what is the UPI solution going to give them? the UPI solution is going to make this even more convenient because they do not have to stand in long queues anymore or in queues at all, because they will be able to go and complete their transaction rarely quickly. And being digital, it is safe. So one of the objectives of NPCI has been to ensure that during this COVID pandemic time, we are doing everything that we can to drive digital payments to also improve the safety of our citizens. The third big benefit it offers is it is instantaneous. So there is no worry. Did my payment go through? Has my transaction been made? Both on the side of the citizen as well as the side of the ward officer, both people know that the transaction has been completed. And that's the beauty of the UPI QR solution. So a big kudos and thank you so much to the government of Andhra Pradesh and Chief Minister Garu to get this done. And we are really grateful for this. A very big thank you to Canara Bank. Canara Bank, Shri LV Prabhakar, Managing Director, the CGM, ED and the GMs. A very big thank you to the entire team of Canara Bank for putting together this program, which is truly a very innovative solution. So they did not just take the UPI solution in as-is form. They have done a very good work on the technology side to integrate the solution along with the software that is available at the Secretariat to ensure that a very seamless experience is available to the consumer here. So we at NPCI are fully committed to this program, sir, and everybody, all the dignitaries here. So we will do everything that is required from our side to make this successful. And we are truly looking at a vision of serving 1 billion people. And we believe that the state of Andhra Pradesh has taken a really big step towards this in taking the reach to a level where UPI has not gone before. A very big thank you for this event, and wish the entire team that is working on this a big success in the days to come.
Thank you, Pravina. Thank you everyone for taking time to make this event a memorable success. We would also like to specially thank Shri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, for his esteemed presence. Have a good day.